I'll demonstrate how to use the app. You can see the interface right after it launches. First thing we need to do is to navigate to an online casino, whichever one you want. You can use any casino you prefer, but the blackjack game provider must be Playtech. So right now, I'm just going to use DocsBet. As you can see, I have entered here the address of the casino, just like in a regular web browser. The application can remember your login information if you want to. Here we navigate to the list of available live blackjack games. The only type of blackjack game that is worth playing is the all bets type. Because in this type of game, you can skip a round if you want to without being too suspicious. To use the AI guidance of the app, we need to turn it on by clicking on the AI guide button. After that, we need to calibrate the AI's vision. We do it by positioning this square window so that the dealer's cards are in the top magenta square and the player's cards are in the lower green area. If we are certain that we have placed this square in the correct position, we can press apply. If we did everything correctly, we should be seeing as the card counts are changing after each round because the AI is recognizing them and counting. We can see here that the count of the cards has changed. Next, I can change the budget that I'm playing with. Also, we need to set the deck count. Usually, nowadays, online casinos have 8 decks in a shoe, but if your casino has a different number, then I highly suggest adjusting this number accordingly. And basically, that's it. You are ready to make some serious money. You get your next move prediction. And you're also given a suggested betting strategy, which right now is to not bet. All casinos have an inactivity period, so in case the app's still recommending not to bet, but you are near the end of your inactivity period, you should make a minimum bet round just to prevent yourself from being kicked out. And basically, that's it. So during the entire game, you're just looking at these 2 squares and act based on the instructions provided in them. Last thing to remember is that you have to reset the deck count by clicking on the new shoe button after the dealer deal the white card. For now, this has to be done manually, but in an upcoming release, this will be automated as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. In case you have any issues with the application, don't hesitate to reach out either via our Discord channel or by sending an email to info@blackjackstudio.app.